with R2 Tech. This Texas-based client is hiring a senior Python business intelligence analyst for their data operations team. Here's an opportunity to grow your big data, Internet of Things, cloud, and business intelligence skills. You will impact the company by leading a diverse data operations development team to deliver and support analytics and reporting, driving big data and Internet of Things business cases, project scopes, reporting, and dashboard requirements with various business units and departments. Interacting with key stakeholders to implement Hadoop components and open source options. Continuously identify areas in technical and functional business units to increase processes and productivity. So if you have over 7+ years of professional experience, 5 years of Python, data manipulation, DevOps, and Hadoop experience with 2 years of dashboards and reporting, please contact me. Feel free to forward this email to anybody who is interested, and to find out more about this position and our other roles, send me your resume to shelms@r2now.com. I'll talk to you soon.